Hello, my dear friends. This is Anna coming to you from New York. I have my dear friend Thomas Maslach joining us today to talk to us about investing and specifically talk to us about investing with options trading. So the reason I'm talking to you about options trading because that's going to be one of our newest courses that we're rolling out through Get Skills Academy. And Tom, Happy New Year, first of all.
Happy New
Um,
Year.
yes, thank
Thanks
you
for
so
having
much
me.
for being with us. So, what I would love to do is let's talk a little bit about your journey of going from doing just regular investments to options trading and why and how, and just kind of tell us a little bit about what made you get into that, and what have you learned from the experience.
Years ago, I started, and I had a friend that worked for Smith Barney, and I gave her some money, and a lot of money, I thought at the time. And instead of investing it with them and paying high commissions, she opened my own individual E-Trade account, which I still have today. I had
So
no idea what I was doing, and she took care of everything and made me, well, a lot of money in a short amount of time, which I bought a really nice house with, right?
okay.
But at the end of all of that, she just handed me over the account, and in the beginning there was no computer for me, so I had to do trades on the telephone. And then I did trades through the years and on the phone, and then I finally got a computer and did them on the computer.
So basically, you started investing about 20 or so years ago, and obviously, you had some help initially, and then you went on your own. For those people who have never done options before, have heard about options, but they don't know what they are, basically, options are contracts that you can buy or sell that could allow you to purchase the stock you already own, sell your stock that you already own at a predetermined price, or you can buy a stock that you don't own but at a predetermined price, and so on and so forth. So, you know, so I think that
So
the
yeah, when
simplest
you
way
say a
to explain
contract,
it, right?
yeah, an option is a contract of 100 shares of a certain stock. And it's kind of the way I like to explain it to people. It's kind of the fantasy football of the NFL. So it's kind of a side bet, but it's based on what's really happening in the game, the NFL.
I love that analogy, by the way. It's great. It's a great
Thank-
analogy.